29,500 francs for pay as court charges. That means it is so for like stamp and all paper the way they use them for court. 200,000 francs for pay as fine. That means a penalty for day, and then 5 years for prison. Now the thing that we court decide for Gian for Shakiro Nasabi, we don't show now for this news continues how it is so they will carry Shakiro go down for Bonanjo Court of First Instance. It is so in the practice to a law for Cameroon deny. That means say in the chop soya man picking with the man picking, although it transform itself like say the woman, then man picking the carry go country people. Then we will take care now about Konsamba with new central police boss. If they don't do it, it don't catch plenty thief people, then show them for country people. Then we will talk about Defense Minister Joseph Betty Asomo. We come to Douala yesterday. It can take plenty new kako them where they use them for place for the column for this solution for Central African Republic country people. Then we will take care now about security meeting for chapter for team where they call them for littoral city so now palava for microbe them country people then hunter them where they catch meat bush beef where the season for them for bed to we will talk to about Ramadan we go last dinner tomorrow, and then country people then Nalova Lyonga minister for big book for secondary school their book them we did yesterday it don't launch a 2-day seminar for day today and tomorrow. My country people them Matuna big salute. This one and plenty other to read them go day inside country news for today with me Master Talk television name now my media prime they say na eye for Africa country people them to read it. For start for Monday, so reach for Friday. This time 12:30 reach for 1 o'clock country people. Then we dey with the big glad for service on the plenty for look country news for my media prime television. Make we start with same story for today. Phone number for woman over easy forget them if you start for call na name for money. It over easy for get phone number for woman if you start for call na name for money. Now give me that same story for today country people. The Marinus Amungwa for to the Gloma ships. Thank you plenty. Make we knock tori for now. First one be security country people them Shakiro we all man be don't sabi the read down for social media. We be showing for now how they be taking go court for Bonanjo. So the lawyer they come for defending for this Palava country people them. They don't last give you 5 years for prison with the 200,000 francs as court fine, and then charges for court now 29,500 francs country people them. Who be Shakiro? Now this. As in a court for Bonanjo slappy so country people them. They be taking na 1 month today or show and phone now. For the catchy, na man picking no moon no see the way they so. Na man picking. Yes. When they turn in like woman, they do it all thing na woman, so take a guy man them. As in a man picking a Shakiro na this country people them. They say don't transform me inside this palaver now. They turn do us like woman. Other man picking they take yet in a time this way they will take and go down for court this so country people. Then after we don't spend 3 days for this way call and say this so inside for investigation for gendarmerie. At time this way Shakiro be still be young boy. I don't know whether make a talk as a young girl for this palaver so country people them. So now we don't give you 5 years in Gata. I say 5 years in Gata for ye country people then with 200,000 francs as court fine, and then or penalty, and then court charges to now 29,500 francs for day, because law for Cameroon ain't no green that one really so man picking the chop soya with the man picking, or woman chop soya with the woman. Law never grant for Cameroon so country people. They will take una Kong Samba this one. They still there now for Central Police Station from Kong Samba day, but they go court tomorrow morning time unasia. Commissariat spécial central de Kong Samba, divisionnaire Njeng Nai, the new police boss from Kong Samba town. Look, the guy then the other day, this guy with yellow, so we show you for una country. Put the name na Galus. A name na Ngasa Galus. We show na way for Cartier Day from Konsamba Day. It carry cutlass enter inside the house way. After way they don't pay salary for labor them for they pay their one room house rent for landlord and landlady. See, I tell you now. Ngasa Chokonte Galus. I tell you when I say this, so we'll be sure for una the other day. Now you say Commissariat Troisième Arrondissement. They don't transfer you now for Commissariat Central. They join with the other one. They don't slap people in Canada side. This year, yes, Siambon Pierre. Now another one to 35 years old will not take Siam. So for the Siambonga Pierre, another wonderful kind do one. Even when you see face, you know, an Japist. Very palava so country people them. Look, they take them for that side. Another one today, number 3. Where a guy then that way inside 2 weeks now. Nkonsamba never rest. Nkonsamba never rest. Now you say, look at, see this one carry on, and as if they for this, say they will take it. And the number 3 is just see face. Just see face. Meet up this one for corridor country people then. One time, you never tell you not you take a grand taker or leave me even SIM card. Now you say we tell you say grand taker also one of the back pocket, leave me only SIM card. If you sorry for me, but the palava so contribute. So anyway, they so they don't hold them now. They prepare for send them for a court and for court today. So the other one we it get cutlass for and they say now military court it go because whether you get now which kind weapon for this country people they will take when I talk about Joseph Betty Asomo when I be big man for Ekembe them every day for Douala yesterday for Air Force Base for go receive some big equipment then where they so people will come and go for Central African Republic for go make peace for this nation. Joseph Betty Asomo entered Douala na 2 days today. Maybe day for the mission for yesterday. Look the thing they will come. Plenty container then come enter Douala with 100 moto jeep them. Then this other one in 2 way na armor card and 100 country people. The first installment na then land so yesterday we receive and with the French people them where the French people in talk say so they go to do the maintenance after any 3 months. 6 months now for change the spare part way if at all it don't spoil for them and they go accompany them all go to shop where they go to stay for Central Africa the country people then so Joseph Betty Asomo every day do all the equipment them and receive all the things so yesterday with the thing land inside the container them for United Nations big general them too they be accompany for they to consider palaver them and they talk about them say so nothing in that way not be say even though we see United Nations for them then tell me yesterday for Mopsese for here and for Mopsese for Joseph Betty Asomo, say this so now government for Cameroon buyer. So no government buyer, but they put stamp for the now United Nations question asked and should be answered to my country people then. In Balaba magic posa, begin where the go school for Lycée d'Aqua. They said they just meet up from Bopi Market where the hala say the sing say so I know give na mamami I know give je ne vous donne pas ma mère for the palava too. Then it can be when you be there but the one make them join to today he talk although we cover his face he say no one made a show his face he say no go join that group for this country for the make something. I said palaba Douala it don't bat country people them where they say money magic post at the game. Una remember the way they happen for Lycée Bilingue de Cri before this country. After Palaba chopping, so you say classroom them, it be been a Palaba porte money magic. Look up. Now person that they don't pull up. Big time from Bopide, it work I talk with they say, I don't give you na mamami. I don't give you na mamami. They want to ask them. They come between talk for they say so na magic poster. Then 2 school begin the way they start to the kind thing for yeso country people then for that government school school high school aqua day then 2 the turn for they catch the go time it come be now they talk for they say so they don't know anything about them he don't deny say no go join that make people then look out for they with this palava poster when I take this year for this country people then. So security meeting be na 2 day today for governor's office for that side for Bonanjo. Samuel Dieudonné Eva Diboa all the government talk so to contribute them. He said palava security and this thing when they talk say so let me crop. Say so they don't put stop on top. They don't press stop. And this palava, so the story of the year now for social media, WhatsApp side by side, say big group for Banti, they now for run point there the way they make you they work out to moto. As you enter moto, so you go southwest or you go Suza or you go Mbanga, they take you go different direction, point you go and then take money for you, take all thing for you. Governor see na lie, una see the meeting. Meeting hold na for Bonanjo for governor's office. Samuel Jedone Ifaha Diboa na he be organ bibingom na for littoral here. And we call for that meeting. Security people, that means say Ekelengbe, all they become. Governor people like SGO them and even this other one too, and say divisional officers who prefer them too, they be doing. So they talk about this palava say wrong point there do so he get police post. So that story where all money knock side by side. Say this so they don't do this, they don't do that. Say this so they take to the inside motor and they do all things for say they hijack you now, show you gun, take you go different direction. He said that thing no be true. Say no be new video where they talk in a new version for microbe them. He said no be so. He said the microbe they be don't turn stay Hamburg for that side for Newtown airport to quarter day for Majesty Abdul. Then the worry too for Dedo and Aquanode. And then the one the way they catch them too for Mbange, other side them for this so contribute inside Douala 5. So now so in the new version never come out as a TikTok and for they say this so the new version at way they happen for place where they call and for they country people them say this so now for call and for this now for it's wrong point they do inside motor them say don't be true for them my own country people them. Make we hear way Governor Samuel Jedone Ifaha Diboa a talk for microphone make we hear.
Let me say that the city of Douala is hosting about 3 million inhabitants. So when you have a city like that, be sure that you can have some issues as far as security or insecurity is concerned. And I would say that we saw in our phones since yesterday or 2 days ago that a quarter called Dedo is full of bandits, people that are using arms, taking you inside a vehicle and going with you for a destination, unknown destinations. I'm saying that all this is not true because our forces are very relevant, they are working very well on the field. So Douala is calm. The second thing I can say is that 3 or 4 months ago, we had what they call micro, just for the weekends. After the weekends, no way for people to behave like that. So I'm saying that when there is a problem of security, you have just to give a call to a commander, a brigade commander, to a commissioner, to SDO, or even the governor will react. But when you want to give that information in WhatsApp, asking every family to be aware that the corner of Dedo is not good one, people are dying there, they are killing people. When? So I wanted to assure our population that it's not true. We are working hand in hand with the populations, with the forces of law in the field. So I can assure one more time that we are going to make efforts so that in any quarter where there are people called bandits or what, they'll just go and catch them and bring them where they have to rest. So there's no insecurity situation in Dedo.
I country people them who not they look na country news now so for my media prime television number way the day for una television down and number one fit send we WhatsApp or SMS for give una send story them and then even to the thing where they happen way for una quarter day we send cameraman cancel enough and show for country people them una two una fit even send we now the image them when we verify am country people them we knock the story for all people they make you take una now go for Southwest Day and for Tico with the stop for day country people them place for the column see the so Mombange 1 village inside Tico subdivision they place na Carrefour Abraham for do nasia Now community work where people then choose for do one. They say waiting, say rain the fall, water the turn up for road, and it block road for them. When they come out for road now, it enter inside people their house them for sika say waiting, for sika say got a whole new day. Now it be saying people then for carry food, the Abraham for that side for Mombange one village, they decide for come out now for back there a quarter head for day according to Tori way. This we get them from this person with the call them say this Mola Moki Orekan for Tiko the country people then they come out now say they work a dig their own got to hold them for make and say making them better for them for that level for that chapter. So my own country people so they don't dig them so to see how they dig and now and then push water make it come out for road way be the block road the dig road spoil road for them enter now inside they got a hold for take past this so country people then make we yet way the chief for that quarter and then one other person to where the fully work for day a talk for microphone for Mola Moki Regan when I hear them.
Because any road will not get gutter, the road will never be a good road. Even if you build road from Yaoundé to Tiko to all over, no put gutter, like 50 billion, that money is poorer. The best thing for road I'm talking here is gutter. And that's why Movange one is looking the best because we have dug so many gutter. Before I came here, the place was very bad. People were not even willing to stay there. But now gutter made the place to be the best so far. Anybody who have a doubt, come to me. I will show you all the gutters. Whether you are cheap, you are Joe, you are me, or come to me. I'm talking very proud I am. With powerful that I am.
And when quarter I don't call for community labor, people they plenty for their houses where they become community labor. Me where I stand for here, I will see this workman. We need to work, but the work community labor for some more fix the quarter, make it fine for all we our taste. Because if the road no they fine, no man no go work for here. So our quarter they do the best for say, may all we will come out in our numbers for Camo do the development. Development start now for yourself before you calculate what government fee do. If you not sweep your house, now president will can't sweep your house. So we beg for the population for Mubange one in particular, may they come out there for community labor, may the young boys and may they not sleep for house, may they come out in their numbers.
We take una go boya so inside Southwest day we Pauline Nalova Lionga we naibi Nyango Minister for Secondary Education let me say college book they do it every day boya interboya yesterday see the boya self country people them for start some 2 day seminar we start today go finish today tomorrow for talk about palava drugs them and all this bad thing the way they happen for we secondary school like the one we show now where it take place too for say Bilen Kribi and then you don't want enter Lycée d'Akwa for the catch for this country people them Bamba Limunga Clarice EPD that site for the launch this morning time make una hear report.
Now big people then this for book that's all for secondary education where they come out for the 10 regions then for Cameroon. Then they meet up that's all from Beya when a chieftain for Southwest region. They meeting where bring all the big book people that's all where it be controlled by the big woman for book people then for secondary education, Professor Pauline Nalova Lionga. Now some workshop where he bring these people so that they feel put their head together. They know how they feel stop the problem for drug violence where it don't be very common now for a school where plenty picking them. Sometimes they be teacher, someone they take marijuana and plenty other bad things the way that they happen for schools them today. During this workshop where it be start yesterday and where it get to end today, Mayor from Boya, a representative, be say he like the kind idea because he can solve plenty problem the way it happen for schools them around Cameroon. And he thank minister for this initiative, especially these online tracking devices, the way they don't put away, he go the monitor picking them when they do for school so that if they want to do any bad thing, teachers then fit intervene. The minister that's what we begin talk for this other regional delegate then where they come up for different 10 regions of Cameroon. It talks say the vex so they because say schools then where it get to be in a place where picking them get to learn good things. It don't instead be in a place where picking them they can't show bad fashion them and glad with the things the way they happen. So it talks say all the big people then where they did that so for you for attend this big meeting. So may they put their head together and may they make sure say at the end of this meeting, may they come out with one decision where all of them for all their schools them for Cameroon, they go make sure they go apply for all the schools them for Cameroon, so that this problem for drug abuse and violence for secondary schools them, there will be a thing of the past. Governor for Southwest Region, Bernard Okala-Bila, is to be present for this meeting for big people them. He talk say he own go now for educate administrative authorities them and also people them for community, may they know say all them they need for join their hands for make sure say they fight this bad thing where they happen for secondary schools them today. That's all. When these people they go end this workshop today, so for where they go take some decision where it go be applied for all secondary schools them for Cameroon. This decision go help for fight this issue of violence and drug use for secondary schools them for Cameroon.
Thank you, plenty Mbamba Limunga Clarice. They will take talk now. Place where we go now for Mbonge Day, and from Mbonge we will happen now for side now for Kombone Mbonge Day. Now they kill this new Amber commander and we this when they don't stay for work like this. Now check this country people then. They shoot gun plenty. Yes, army shoot, Chakumcha shoot, army shoot, Chakumcha shoot. This one he fall. And then now it was Thomas Njawo. When they say now stay we join a new commander that we on camp to be the other side where the last shoot is so yesterday afternoon country people then. We take on now talk about Palaba Ramadan. Yes, yesterday evening time plenty people they be the wait me they see moon. If they see moon, they begin to celebrate Ramadan feast today, but not tomorrow they go last do am, because if he jump for number 29 day the no see moon, automatically when he flop number 30 day they get for now for celebrate the feast of the Ramadan will go take place tomorrow. How will they prepare for that side from Marwan extreme north for the Unasia? Even though challenges there for that side for security, they get problem for latry. Plenty people then put generator for down. Yes. They put generator for down, then people they rush for buy shoes, so close them for tailor them, then fix even cap the one when a 01, it take and go wash them for place where they so my get they wash them. Look up. Tailor them get to market to they work to enter for night for take do it to country people them for see how way they go do all thing for say make them so close them there. Then they do all thing make the customer them they try for do thing for enter for celebrate Ramadan inside better new clothes with new shoes and new cap for that side to generator them to they put and they for Palava city so latre it no they get problem then for that side for Marwa and whole far north region for the so country people them. We go take una talk rapidly about this other one time. The we short thing about this vaccine for Bafang Day where the sooner palava vaccination where they make an now population vex can take picking them for school day country people them make us see. I said now for big government school. Government nursery and primary school for Bafang Day. Now papa and mommy then come, they don't hear rumor say they don't chook picking a vaccine, the picking die. They come now so to them block me not give picking them this poliomyelitis vaccine them for they remember say this so don't hide now corona vaccine. Enter they with the one year for picking them. Police block me do not enter the force am to enter inside gate, enter any man enter classroom, move your own picking them. One picking like this one so way, if it jump one run so jumbo yesterday they can vaccinate them. Jump from first floor, fall down so they get big wound for that hand this so country people this now for medical center for they will struggle now for give you. So now big trouble that will happen place with the call and see the so for but from this so country people they make you take una go outside country. Any other one will go surely finish on tomorrow for toxicity for Abidjan. They catch fake drugs them for them inside company when they declare and say na printing press make us see. Now it is country people them for Abidjan they enter now in a printing press but they turn over back the big company they can discover another company inside when it is they fake drugs them so they packet them for they send them for market then all the total drugs the way they catch them for here inside CFA money they say it pass 550 million francs for this whole country for them. So people them for pharmacy for Abidjan for Cote d'Ivoire and then doctor them too with the minister where they take care for sick people them they catch and also also talk say so wait till it take happen for you. Now this kind of bad medicine that they put on for market, and then people now they buy them. You dey go for go cure headache, you also go get plenty different kinds of sick them other on top your headache country people them where they so a bad plenty for that palava days country people who the tank country man for Abidjan they way now Cameroon we send with this image them for they get to see this Ivorian television country people them. Then the Frenchman where they catch him for place with the Central African Republic they so now they were trouble day big trouble day between France and Central African Republic. Now it is Frenchman where they say inside your house they meet up Arsenal. I mean, say big war gun them. War kako the way they say go and make na coup d'etat for kill this man Ange Kamboire where they now this Rushman Ange Kamboire where they now president for this we call Central African Republic for the so they don't put the handcuff for a backhand for the country people then talk so wait say this so for this matter now they get for open investigate say this so inside the coup d'etat where Michel Djokovic first one the very Frenchman be there and also French put them plenty for Central African Republic. They feel members say they work for MINUSCA under the cover for United Nations. They way they do bad party them for they plenty and they talk to say that them they dig even gold for they take send them for their country France for that matter. Say not be the first time where this kind of thing them too they happen so for the country people them. Technical supervisor BP na Michel Kaiser Agbor, technical director for My Media Prime. Yes, producer B Desmond Gua for the thank you plenty. Thank you small Desmond to and Noel for the broadcast day country people then. Christian Tebong, thank you plenty for all the work we do for we thank you Johnson for Latu and then Eli one not link. My country people them be Massa Talk Eze Ekuleku. I will be big glad today for present una this news. It will surely better again tomorrow. So inside 12:30 for country news. After me, programs that they continue for My Media Prime Television. If Nasima back, belly the front to go. Bye.